A second wave of floods in a month has devastated 44-year-old Maya Das. Like others in her village in Assam's Morigaon district, she had barely managed to recover from the first deluge.
The subsequent waves of flood is hitting rural economy of Assam like never before.
Now hundreds of families are living on this National Highway 37 that links Guwahati to Upper Assam. For Pakya Das, it's the worst flood since the 1970s.
Thousands of people are not only rendered homeless, they even don't know where to go next. They are now sheltered beside the highway and they don't know what lies in future. In Kaliabar, with camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.